Welcome to the Family Wealth Architect, Texas Legacy Edition. This is our master stewardship strategy for 2026, focused on vision and provision for our children's children. I'm Dr. Rolly K. Nakulu. We begin with the first section, the pillars of stewardship. Our goal is to align the heart with the mission before we get into the math, setting a strong foundation. The stewardship covenant is rooted in key principles. Psalm chapter 24 verse 1 reminds us that we manage the portfolio of the Creator. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 22 emphasizes that we build for the third generation. The power of provision comes from the Latin root providere, combining pro, forward, and videre, to see. True provision is foresight in action, anticipating future needs and building the architecture today that sustains tomorrow. We define three dimensions of stewardship: vision, supply, and protection. Vision is recognizing risks and opportunities. Supply is ensuring resources are available. Protection is safeguarding the supply through structures for intended heirs. Operational excellence starts with budgeting. The zero-based rule means every dollar has a mission, directing resources with precision. The 3 to 6 month shield acts as a shock absorber, protecting the family from external crises. Wealth multiplication is guided by the rule of 72. Understanding the velocity of growth is essential for long-term provision. Gathering little by little creates a compounding harvest, with 7.2 years to double at a 10% rate. Protecting purchasing power is critical. Real assets like stocks and real estate provide a legitimate hedge against the erosion of supply caused by inflation. We need to focus on strategies that maintain strength against economic shift. The shield, rooted in 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 8, includes three key areas. Income replacement with life insurance ensures supply continues. Mortgage defense eliminates PMI. Finally, the red folder centralizes documents for navigation in your absence. Our legacy architecture focuses on Texas trusts. A trust is a bucket that secures supply, bypassing public probate and securing privacy. Key protections include probate avoidance, privacy of assets, and spendthrift protection under Texas Trust Code. We distinguish between revocable living and irrevocable trusts. Revocable trusts offer control, ideal for probate avoidance. Irrevocable trusts offer permanent protection, shielding assets from creditors, lawsuits, and advanced estate taxes. The 2026 roadmap outlines our quarterly strategy. Q1 focuses on auditing the budget and funding the emergency shield. Q2 includes executing a debt snowball and securing life insurance. Q3 is maximizing the Roth IRA and funding mutual funds. Q4 establishes the Texas Trust and transfers asset titles. Our mission is successful succession. I build this system not out of fear of the future, but out of love for those who will inherit it. Generational wealth begins with generational wisdom. Connect to start your journey toward financial independence. Thank you for watching this video on ensuring the vision is clear for the generations to come. For questions, you can reach Dr. Rolly K. Nkulu at the mobile number and email provided. Remember Proverbs chapter 13 verse 22.